A very good morning everyone. In today's session, we are going to talk about the polar array. As you can see, we have a two figure. Right now, for example, into the right side figure, we have this geometry. We want this geometry around the circle a sixth time. That means this geometry will be equally distributed at the 60-degree angle. Now, what we're going to do? We cannot able to use the copy command. We cannot able to use the rotate command. Okay. So that's why at that time the array command is come into the picture. Here you can see into the array command there's a path array and there's a polar array. So before going to the path array, first we go to the polar array. The polar array which is evenly distribute the object or copy the object in a circular pattern. Okay. So first I select the polar array, then I'm going to select the entire object, not the single circle. I'm select this object by the blue window, then press the enter. Now you need to specify the center point where the entire object will array. So as you can see, here is the center point of my circle where all the object can be do the array. Okay. When I click here, at that time this window open. It's the array creation. Into the array creation, you can able to change the items. For example, if you want a 5 item, then you simply give the 5 number. Here you can see 5 number is there. For example, I want 8 items. You can give the 8. Okay, here you can see. Depending on the situation, depending on the requirement. Now, here it is automatically set by the system. For example, fill degree 360 degree is the fill angle. That means if you put the 8 object, that means the angle between the two object is 45. Now if I give the 12, it will give you the 30. As you can see, that means it will predefined. For example, if I want 3 object which is 30 degree apart, here you can see into the figure there is one object, second object and the third object, which is 3 objects are there. The angle between two objects is 30 degree. Okay, and if you want to fill or if you want to change here, for example, if I want to give the 60, then the angle between the two objects is 60. Here is 60. Yeah. By using this kind of array command, polar array, you can able to create any kind of a geometry. For example, right now I give the 6 and the fill command is 360. If you give 180, then it will give the only half. It will fill the half. Okay. Right now I give 360 is completed. Now press the enter for the exit. I simply repeat this command for this geometry. Not the entire geometry, only for this geometry. Okay. So first I go to this array command, select the polar array command, select the object. First, second, third and the fourth. And I give the enter. Now you need to specify the center point where this object it can be array. It is very important. I give the center here. This by default value is 6. I only require 3. Enter. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3 is come and filled into 360 degree. So that's why the angle is 120 degree. Okay. Then press enter. By using this command, you can do this. The last one is this. I'm using the polar array command. Select the object, press enter, select the center point, and I give you the 24. As you can see, it will create it. But make sure that the trim is not applied. The trim is not applied. No issue. We give 25. It will done. We give 26. it will done. We give 30, it will done. Yeah, depending on your application. If you require more, you can create it. For example, right now give the 28 and then enter, and simply erase this. As you can see, the array was created. Thank you.